RDR Grains and Seeds, a true leader in organic agriculture and GMO-free products. Founded in 1962, this family-owned business has passed on its passion from generation to generation. Today it offers a wide range of organic products certified by EcoCert Canada. RDR is a manufacturer, retailer, and distributor of organic grains and pedigreed seeds. Also a producer, RDR fully understands the daily challenges that farmers face. Its high-quality services and expertise make RDR a partner of choice. The company meets the needs of farmers, processors, and the industrial market like no other when it comes to quality, cost, deadlines, reliability, and innovation. Consumers are increasingly choosing organic and GMO-free products. Organic farming revenues are comparable to or even higher than those generated by conventional agriculture. This is why RDR believes in the potential of organic agriculture and directs its efforts towards this type of crop cultivation that is cleaner for the environment, healthier for consumers, and more profitable in the medium and long term than conventional farming. RDR attaches great importance to its classification of grain samples. This grading, done in several steps, establishes the product's fair price, ensures a reputation for excellence and quality with buyers, and develops profitable relationships for all. Here are some steps in the grading of spelt by RDR. Everything begins with the arrival of the sample, which is weighed and then separated. The next step is to measure the temperature of the sample in order to make an accurate calculation of moisture. The moisture test is then carried out to ensure the quality of the sample tested. The specific weight of the sample is collected to determine the density of the grain. The sample is sifted to extract dockage. Its weight is recorded to determine the percentage of dockage. A subsample of 100 grams is taken this time to measure the number of grains that are rotten, frozen, immature, or rancid. Protein levels are noted to determine the quality of the sample to meet the requirements of processors. The grain is then milled to carry out various tests. The first test is designed to detect the presence of vomitoxin. The falling number test is then conducted to select the grain batches destined for flour production. The final grading of the grains according to the standards of the Canadian Grain Commission is done. These grains, for human consumption, are then negotiated and destined to be processed for our food if the quality required is met or exceeded. RDR specializes in the production and distribution of grains and seeds that are in high demand on the markets. Soybeans, oats, spelt, and wheat are the 4 varieties on which the company will focus its development over the next years. Each year, RDR grades and negotiates several thousand tons of organic soybeans. Conventional oats and organic oats represent the second largest volume of grain treated annually by RDR. Spelt represents a steadily growing production for RDR. Since its gluten quality is better than that of wheat, this grain is more and more in demand by the food industry. Finally, organic wheat completes the average production generated by RDR. RDR is therefore involved in the transaction of thousands of tons of grain per year, with 80% of the produce being organic. The total supply of RDR is completed with the production and distribution of seeds from these varieties of grain. Thanks to an expertise in grains and seeds and value-added seeds, RDR supports its customers and suppliers so that they can meet specific needs. Farmers who negotiate with RDR benefit from an accompaniment and treatment allowing them to reach unsuspected productivity. RDR Grains and Seeds. Sow better, reap more.